Hi everyone, how are you? Today we are going to make wood frame for canvas. Yet how to make wood canvas? So let's start with some materials. We need a wood, plain wood, 1.5 inch and half inch, and small size, teeny size frame putty, curve, nail gun, glue, some clumps, 90-degree angle, and pencil. This is cutting machine, 90-degree angle. Now we are going to cut the wood. Measure the size. Length is 24 inch. Mark the cutting point and now recheck the size. Cut the second part of wood, same size. This is the mark 24 inch where the other side will cut. Set the size and then cut the wood. Now the second part of wood, same size, 24 inch. Two sides have been cut out. Now cut the opposite side of wood frame. First we cut length, now we are going to cut height, 18 inch. Now again adjust the size of height, 18 inch, both side, and then cut. So these are, both sides are ready, 18 by 24 inch, 24 inch and 18 inch. Now we are going to fit the canvas wood frame. So prepare your clumps and adjust a line. Now these two sides are ready, fitted, and we are going to fit other two sides to make complete the frame. These will fit inside the wood frame. After fitting that, the canvas will be more strong and more long lasting. Four sides we will apply. So this is our wood frame is ready, 90-degree angle balanced, very fine, very strong and very balanced. Now after this making wood frame, we will apply wood strip on the canvas frame, wood frame, cause the canvas will stretch easily and very smoothly. The curve option will adjust the canvas very fine, very easily. These four sides have been cut out. Now we are going to fit on the canvas wood frame. Now look at this. Our wood canvas frame has been ready. Now we are going to apply canvas on the wood frame. This is raw material canvas, very fine quality and very easily can stretch on this wood frame. This will apply gently.